What interests you about working as a warehouse associate? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to understand your motivation and alignment with the role, as well as they also wants to know if you understand the responsibilities and are genuinely interested in the job or not. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I enjoy working in fast paced environments where I can stay physically active. I'm drawn to the warehouse associate role because it involves tasks like organizing and managing inventory, which I find satisfying. I'm also excited about being part of a team that plays an essential role in the company's operations, ensuring products are delivered efficiently. Question number 2. How do you ensure accuracy when fulfilling orders? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your attention to detail and organizational skills, which are crucial for minimizing errors in warehouse operations. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I double check each order before packing and shipping it, ensuring that the items and quantities match the order slip. I also take time to verify codes or serial numbers, which help us catch any discrepancies early. Maintaining an organized workstation also helps me quickly find items, reducing the chance of errors. Question number 3. Describe your experience using warehouse equipment such as forklifts or pallet jacks. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to gauge your familiarity with the tools needed to perform the job safely and efficiently. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I have experience operating forklifts and pallet jacks from my previous job, where I received formal training and certification in forklift operation. I understand the importance of safe handling and always follow safety guidelines to avoid accidents and ensure efficient workflow. Question number 4. How do you handle working in a physically demanding environment? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to check your ability to cope with the job's physical demands. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I understand that warehouse work can be physically challenging, and I'm prepared for it. I stay active outside of work, which helps me maintain the physical fitness needed for lifting and moving items. I also prioritize safety by using proper lifting techniques and taking breaks as needed to stay energized throughout the shift. Question number 5. How do you prioritize tasks when handling multiple responsibilities in the warehouse? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your organizational skills and your ability to multitask. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, when managing multiple tasks, I first assess which ones are most urgent or have the highest impact, such as fulfilling orders that need to ship soon. I keep a checklist and track deadlines to stay organized, and I'm always communicating with my team to make sure priorities are clear. This approach helps me stay focused and meet deadlines efficiently. So, there you have it, 5 most important warehouse associate job interview questions along with their sample answers. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So, take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.